Na 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 na.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on hip hop Tamiza, and this is a Innayam official video and Na Oru Alien.
Not sure what is this Na Uru Alien,
Okay.
but the official video name is Innayam.
Okay, yes.
Okay, so this is from Hip Hop Tamiza, and you guys have requested so many times to give the reaction on Hip Hop Tamiza, and it's
Yes.
been a long time.
Right.
We have last posted one video from this
Yes.
Hip Hop Tamiza, right?
Right.
And
And-
there it was basically the cultivation, the
Yes.
civilization of Tamil.
Right, it was showing everything.
right, yes.
And this video is presented by Think Music India. And
Yeah.
if you haven't watched this video, original video, you can go to their channel and watch their original video as well.
Yeah, and subscribe them. Don't forget to subscribe them because they are fabulous. Their
Right.
creation, their creativity is on point.
Yes.
Always, we all know that. So yeah,
Right.
let's get started. We'll be talking more about that after watching this video. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes, and also please follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, so let's get started.
Yes. Think Music.
Oh, I can sense it now. This is going to be fabulous.
இணையம் என்பது மாயக் கண்ணாடி
Malian,
அதில்
okay.
ஒளிந்து கொண்டோர் பலரும் பின்னாடி இணையம் என்பது மாயக் கண்ணாடி அதில் ஒளிந்து கொண்டோர் பலரும் பின்னாடி நீயும் குற்றவாளி நானும் குற்றவாளி பல முகங்களோ போலி வேறொருவன் போல் நீ
Super.
தொழில்நுட்பத்திலே உலகம் தொழில்நுட்பம் செய்யும் கழகம்
Yeah.
மனிதத்தில் வைரஸ் பரவும்
Nice.
மனிதா கொஞ்சம் கவனம் தலைய கீழே தொங்க போட்டுக்கிட்டே நடக்கிறோம் ஒவ்வொரு பிரச்சனையும் டக்குன்னு தான் கடக்குறோம் அடுத்த தலைமுறையையும் சேர்ந்து கெடுக்கிறோம் என்னாச்சு நண்பா நாம வெறுப்பைய விதைக்கிறோம் எதுவுமே எது தெரியாம முழிக்கிறோம் உள்ளுக்குள்ள அழுதுட்டு வெளியில சிரிக்கிறோம் தப்பு நடந்தா உடனே சிரிக்கிறோம் அப்புறம் தாயே அதை மறக்கிறோம்
It's the alien version, right?
Wow. Super.
APM. Nice, man.
தொழில்நுட்பத்திலே உலகம்
Yes.
தொழில்நுட்பம் செய்யும் கழகம் மனிதத்தில் வைரஸ் பரவும் மனிதா கொஞ்சம் கவனம் இணையம் என்பது மாயக் கண்ணாடி அதில் ஒளிந்து கொண்டோர் பலரும் பின்னாடி இணையம் என்பது மாயக் கண்ணாடி அதில் ஒளிந்து கொண்டோர் பலரும் பின்னாடி சொந்தமா ஏதாவது செஞ்சமா சொந்த உழைப்பு போட்டு மேல வந்தமா மத்தவண்ண வச்சு செஞ்சா அதுவே போதும் மத்தவண்ண மொக்க பண்ணி மேல போவோம் விதை விதைத்தால் திணை அறுப்போம் வெறுப்பினை விதைத்தால் என்ன கிடைக்கும் இந்த வட்டத்துக்குள் உன்ன கட்டம் கட்டி வச்சு கொண்டு தட்டிக்குள்ள குதிரை ஓட்ட விட்டுடும் வழக்கம் தலைய கீழே தொங்க போட்டுக்கிட்டே நடக்கிறோம் ஒவ்வொரு பிரச்சனையும் டக்குன்னு தான் கடக்குறோம் அடுத்த தலைமுறையையும் சேர்ந்து கெடுக்கிறோம் பொய் எதுவுமே எது தெரியாம முழிக்கிறோம் உள்ளுக்குள்ள அழுதுட்டு வெளியில சிரிக்கிறோம் தப்பு நடந்தா உடனே சிரிக்கிறோம் அப்புறம் தாயே அதை மறக்கிறோம்
Wow.
Inayam. Wow.
I like their concept,
Superb.
right? Because-
Superb concept. Yes.
Exactly. They are mostly blaming to the technology and
Technology,
everything,
yeah.
whatever is going throughout the world, right? People are walking the same and all, and they are trying to refrain their problems. They are not fighting with the problem. They
Yes.
are avoiding those problems. So that actually is happening.
Yes,
so
that
it's
is happening.
perfectly suited. This song is perfectly suiting with the current situation, whatever it's going on.
Whatever is going
Right?
on, yes.
And people
Obviously.
are fighting through technology only. Some were blast and all those things they have covered in the scene as well. So lots of people are fighting together due to this technology. Means
Yeah.
a kind of digital war. what
Digital
you would
war.
say.
Yeah.
Yes.
Actually, technology is very good for human being and very bad for human being. It can
Yes.
be destructive also as well.
Right.
So here in this whole video, it was like narrated so beautifully. I really like the aliens which are there.
Yes.
Like some of the aliens are fighting using the sword and all, and some of the aliens were like chilling out. They were dancing, and
Some of them were
most
serving
of
the concept
the
wise.
concept is very good, and moreover the music, let me tell you, it is the one of the most rapping kind of hip hop music, the incredible one I have ever heard.
Exactly. I
on,
like
on,
this
on this
their
channel, on
music
this
and
platform.
the beat was
The
really
beat.
superb.
My goodness, I cannot pronounce obviously because it is in Tamil, but I
But
really
yes.
want to murmur karna chahti hu main, because I really want to learn
Sing
this
that
song.
song,
I just really want to sing this song, but I can't because of the pronunciation. But
I
what
think you should try it.
I'll
because-
try
because
for
you'll
sure.
Get everything on the internet, right?
This is very good actually, very fun to watch. At the same time, you can switch on this music in your home, and you can dance.
Right.
You can dance, you can work out, zumba bhi kar sakte ho iske sath. This is a very powerful music,
and I
man.
think it's a soothing also, like
Very
whatever,
soothing also.
and everybody can relate with their day-to-day life also.
Yes,
and
yes.
This song, when I started singing this song, it reminded me a song of the Linkin Park that was
Linkin Park ka.
mashed up on some game and all, and
Theek,
the
theek.
picturization was somewhat, it was kind like that.
Yeah.
In the end was one of them, and one more song was there, so I
Yes,
forgot
yes,
that
yes,
one. So I think it reminded me that as well, because the
लिंकिन
beats
पार्क
and
का
all.
एक
Yes.
गाना है, मुझे भी
Right.
याद नहीं आ रहा, but yes, definitely means like their standard, think music का standard is very high, and they have maintained the level actually.
Right.
Because it is not easy to make this kind of animation, and also at the respective of song will be correlated with the video,
Right.
whichever is going on. So that is keeping in their mind. They have done it fabulously. The
And for-
execution is
Yes,
superb.
and for us the best part was like they have provided the subtitles
Subtitles.
also, so we were able to correlate whatever the things
Every
was
single
going
thing.
on.
Yeah.
Yes, so
It was pretty clear.
So in this particular video, what we love is the beats, the music,
Yeah,
and
the showstopper is the music
yes,
only.
of course, and the lyrics, whatever was going on. We
Yeah.
though we didn't understand exact what it is called in Tamil, but we understand
Yeah.
with the subtitles.
Yeah, the meaning we understood, but the
Yes.
pronunciation I'm telling actually.
Right.
But yeah, it is superb. Like, what to say, two person I think were there, if I'm not wrong. One person is rapping, he was morely involved into the rapping, and one person is just saying the lines like
Yes.
where na 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 na.
Right.
That is
Tune.
another
The
person is
tune was
doing
superb,
that.
right?
So both of their voice quality is outstanding.
Yes.
They are having the excellent grip in their voice, and they know how to do this
Right.
song, and how he can flow, like they can flow the song. They
Exactly,
knows that.
exactly. And I love this kind of a song. I would
Outstanding,
like
man.
to hear more about this kind of
me
song.
also. I
If
just-
you-
I-
if
we
you get
really-
more songs, I will love it.
Yes,
because
yes.
if you don't understand also lot of the things, lot of the word also, you will be able to relate the tunes and all, and
Yes.
you will be able to start murmuring sound and all. You can do it on that.
एक्चुअली सॉन्ग के बारे में ना वी डोंट नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड एकदम क्लियरली. ओके, एनी सॉन्ग्स आप देख लो, जैसे श्रेया घोषाल है या फिर एसपी वाला सुब्रमण्यम सर, एवरीवन लाइक द बड़े बड़े हस्ती, वो लोग भी जो सॉन्ग गाते हैं तमिल में या तेलुगु में
Different
या कोई भी
language.
मलयालम में, वी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड द कंप्लीट सॉन्ग, बट व्हाट वी लाइक इज द धुन, the
tune,
sur,
yes.
the tune. We can listen to the song endlessly.
Yes,
Like in the
exactly.
throughout the day we can keep on listening.
Exactly.
This is the beauty of the song. But you don't need to understand the complete pronunciation. What would be the what is this word or what is that word? Of course,
Yes.
India में इतने सारे language है, we can't. But yes, this is beautiful, and what a creation.
Right. And this singer itself, they are saying that it is from hip hop Tamil,
Hip-hop Tamil.
and lyrics is also from hip hop Tamil.
Wow.
So, they are, we know that they are fabulous
They are
creator. We
fabulous.
have done some of the reactions on their songs as well. So
Yes.
they are fabulous.
Really awesome. And yeah, that is it for today's video. We really enjoyed it. Let us know how you feel about this song, and what is your reaction in the comment bar.
Yes.
And yeah, if you like our reaction, please subscribe our channel if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.